Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Have you ever faced the Xbox error? This Microsoft account has not purchased Minecraft? It's a common error that can leave players frustrated, especially when you know you've purchased the game. So what's going on? Well, this error usually pops up when trying to log in to play Minecraft despite having purchased the game. Some users have reported being able to play the game a few hours earlier, only to be greeted by this error message when they attempt to log in later. This error seems to be particularly common with migrated accounts. So, how can you fix this? Did you make the purchase recently? If so, it's possible that the purchase didn't go through for some reason. To check this, head to the Microsoft account order history page. If you don't see your order there, it means your order didn't go through, causing the error. If the error persists, make sure you're logging in from the right account. If you have multiple Microsoft accounts, you might be trying to log in from a different one. Always ensure you're logging in from the account you used to purchase Minecraft. If you still receive the error and you've recently migrated your account, confirm that the migration process is done. Simply sign into your account and check your profile page. If the error still hasn't been resolved, then try changing your account password. Some users have managed to resolve this issue by changing their account password. It's worth a shot. If all else fails, contact support. If you've tried all the above solutions but the error persists, reach out to the Microsoft support team for further assistance. In a nutshell, if you're seeing "This Microsoft account has not purchased Minecraft" error, you can try checking your recent purchases, ensuring you're logging in from the correct account, confirming your account migration is complete, changing your account password, or contacting support. Remember, gaming should be fun, not frustrating. By tackling this error head-on, you can get back to your Minecraft adventures in no time. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.